Hello everyone, I hope that you all are good and fine. So in today's session, we will solve question number 5 of exercise 2.7. Okay, so see in this segment students, we will learn how to remove the decimal from numerator and from denominator. Okay, as we will solve the upcoming segments, we will came across different questions, and at that time only I will explain you how to remove any decimal. Okay, starting from this very first segment. Okay, it will be followed by 7 इक्वल टू साइन, सो 7 डिवाइडेड बाई 3.5, सो वी विल राइट लाइक दिस. ठीक है, अभी हमारा जो डेसिमल नंबर है स्टूडेंट्स, वी आर हैविंग आवर डेसिमल नंबर एट डिनोमिनेटर. ओके, एंड आफ्टर एंड इन डेसिमल नंबर वी आर हैविंग हियर डेसिमल आफ्टर हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स, 1 डिजिट. ठीक है, ये इंफॉर्मेशन तुम्हें कलेक्ट कर लेना है दिमाग में. क्या कर लेना है कि डेसिमल नंबर जो है वो डेनोमिनेटर पे है और डेसिमल जो है वो 1 डिजिट के बाद है. तो ये डेनोमिनेटर में व्हेनेवर वी आर हैविंग आवर डेसिमल्स एट डेनोमिनेटर, देन फॉर रिमूविंग दिस डेसिमल वी विल हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई एट न्यूमरेटर. कहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? न्यूमरेटर पे. एंड बाई हाउ मच? वाई? नाउ यू विल आस्क मी वाई यू हैव मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 10. So my answer is, see here, decimal, after decimal we are having 1 digit. Suppose I would have 2 digits after decimal, then I would have multiplied it by 100. Suppose I would have 3 digits after decimal, then I would have multiplied it by 1000. Okay, like this, so on and so forth is the rule to remove any decimal from denominator. Now when I will remove the numerator decimals, then I will explain you at that time. ठीक है, अभी यहाँ पे decimal को हटाने के लिए we multiplied at the numerator by 10. Now it is no more 3.5. Now it is 35. Okay, now find out the common factors students and reduce it to the common simplest form. ठीक है, अभी क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे, see 5 2 जा 10, 5 7 जा 35, then 7 7 will cancel each other, then finally how much we will have students? We will have 2 as our final answer. Like this we are solving, like this we are removing the decimal and then we are simplifying it to the simplest form. Okay, now moving to next segment students, segment number 2. Okay, segment number 2, in segment number 2 we are having 36 divided by 0.2. Okay, so we will write this 36 upon 0.2, right? Like this we will write. Now again we are having the decimal at denominator, so we have to conclude that we have to decide that we have to multiply at numerator. ठीक है, अभी कितने से, डेसिमल के बाद 1 डिजिट, तो हमें 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. अब ये 0.02 नहीं है, 0.2 नहीं है, ये 2 है. सो 2 1 जा 2, 2 5 जा 10. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई देम एंड गेट द आंसर. 5 6 जा 30 एंड 5 3 जा 15. 15 प्लस 3 हाउ मच? 15 प्लस 3 18. So you will have finally 180 as answer. Moving to next segment, segment number 3 students. Segment number 3 is 325 divided by how much? 0.5. 0.5 and it is 3.25. It is 3.25. Now here we are having the decimals at both the places, numerator also and denominator also. तो यहाँ पे क्या करते हैं हम? See, now I will just tell you, I will adopt the simplest method. Okay, as we are having different method, but I will explain you the simplest one. Okay, see here, we are having 325, 3.25 and then 0.5. Okay, so one by one we will remove the decimals at the numerator also and at denominator also. दोनों को एक एक करके हम डेसिमल्स को रिमूव करेंगे. तो जहाँ से तुम शुरू करना चाहते हो, चाहे तो न्यूमरेटर से चाहे तो डिनोमिनेटर से, जहाँ से भी तुम शुरू करना चाहते हो तुम कर सकते हो. ठीक है, आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट इट फ्रॉम रिमूविंग द डिनोमिनेटर फ्रॉम डिनोमिनेटर. सो फॉर दैट आई विल हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई एट द न्यूमरेटर एंड बाई हाउ मच? आफ्टर डेसिमल 1 digit, so I multiplied it by 10. Now for removing the decimals from numerator we are multiplying at the denominator. यहाँ पे हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे डिनोमिनेटर पे. ठीक है, अब कितने से करेंगे? सी आफ्टर डेसिमल वी आर हैविंग हियर 2 digits, so at numerator, at denominator we will have to multiply it by 100. ठीक है, बस यही रूल है, यही दिमाग में रखना है, एंड देन ऑल द सेगमेंट्स विल बी सॉल्व्ड वेरी क्विकली एंड वेरी इजली. नाउ दिस जीरो विल कैंसल ईच अदर. ओके, नाउ हियर वी आर हैविंग 5, so 5 1 जा 5 and 5 6 जा 30, remaining 2, 5 5 जा 25. Okay, now here again we are having common factor 5 2 ja 10 and here 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15. Okay, is there any more simplification possible, students? No more simplification possible. So 13 upon 2 you can write, or 2 6 ja and then 2 5 ja 10, so 6.5 also you can write as your final or simplest answer. Now moving to next segment, segment number 4. Segment number 4 is 30.94. 30.94 divided by how much, students? 0.7. Okay, again what you have to do, you have to remove the decimal from numerator and from denominator one by one. Okay, now I am going to remove first from denominator. So for that I will have to multiply at the numerator and by 10. Why? Because after the decimal we are having one digit. Now when we will remove the decimal of numerator, then we will divide it by we will divide it at denominator, and by how much? Since we are having 2 digits after the decimal, so we will divide it by 100. Okay, now find out the common factor and simplify them to the simplest form. Okay, this 0 and this 0 will cancel each other. After this, find out the common factor, students. Here 7 1 ja 7. Okay, so I hope you will get here 4 4 2. Now again you are having common factor, so 2 5 ja 10 and then 2 2 ja 2 2 ja and 2 1 ja. Okay, now I hope that you are having no more common factor, so 2 2 1 divided by 5. Now if you will divide 5 4 ja 20, again remaining 5 4 ja 20 and then 5 2 ja 10. I hope that you will get 44.2 as your final answer or simplified answer. Okay, now here we will solve next segment, is segment number 5, students. Okay, so segment number 5th is 0.5 divided by 0.5 divided by how much? 0.25. Okay, now divide it, so it will be 0.5 upon 0.25. so I am going to remove the decimal from denominator. Okay, so for that we will have to multiply at the numerator by 100. Why? Because after decimal we are having 2 digits. Now for removing the decimal from numerator, we will have to multiply at denominator by how much? By 10. Why? Because after decimal we are having here 1 digit. Okay, now simplify to the simplest form. Here 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. So basically you will have 2 as your simplest answer. Okay, so this is up to segment number 5th. Now we will move to next segment, segment number 6th. So wait. Okay, so now we will solve 6th segment, students. So it is 7.75. so 7.75 divided by how much, students? 0.25. so remove the decimal. एक एक करके डेसिमल्स को रिमूव करो, डेनोमिनेटर से भी और न्यूमरेटर से भी. डेनोमिनेटर से जब हम डिवाइड रिमूव करेंगे तो मल्टीप्लाई एट न्यूमरेटर बाई 100. वाई? बिकॉज आफ्टर डेसिमल वी आर हैविंग 2 digits here, and when you will remove the decimal from numerator you will have to multiply at denominator again by 100. Why? Because here also we are having 2 digits after decimal, so this and this will cancel each other. Finally 5 5 ja 25, then 5 1 ja 5, remaining 2 it will become 27, 5 5 ja 25 and then again 5 5 ja 25, then again 5 1 ja 5 3 ja 15 and then 5 1 ja 5. So basically you will have 31 as your simplified answer. Moving to next segment, students, we are having next segment, 7th segment, 76.5 divided by 0.15, students. This much we are having, so write it is 76.5 divided by 0.15. Okay, so remove the decimals one by one. So if you will remove here at denominator you will have to multiply at numerator by 100. Here if you will remove at numerator then you will have to multiply at denominator by 10. Okay, this 0 will cancel each other. 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10, then 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15 and then again 3 5 ja 15. Okay, so after multiplying 5 2 are 10, 5 2 are 10 plus 1 11, 2 2 are 4 plus 1 5. So you will get 510. Okay, now moving to next segment students, segment number 8 we will solve here. Okay, segment number 8 is saying you 37.8 to be divided by how much? 1.4. okay, 1.4. so here we are having 37.8 by 1.4. so multiply at numerator by 10, multiply at denominator also by 10. 10 will cancel. okay, and here 2 7 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja, 2 9 ja. Again, is there any more simplification possible students? Then I think no. So 189 upon 7. So if you will convert it into decimal number, 7 2 ja 14, 4 7 7 ja 49. oh, it is reducible. okay, so if you will reduce, you will get 27, and finally you will get 27 as your answer. okay, now moving to next segment, ninth segment. In ninth segment we have to divide 2.73 by how much? 1.3. okay, so 2.73 divided by 1.3, remove the decimal, divide, multiply it by 100. now if you will remove this decimal, multiply here by 100. this 0 will cancel each other. 13 2 ja 26, remaining here 1, 13 1 ja 13. Is there any more simplification? No. so here 21 upon 10, or you can say finally you will get 2.1 as your answer. See, one more thing, the question has been already solved, but one more thing I would like to tell you. See, in the numerator and denominator, okay, if we are having the decimal after means same decimal places, अगर यहाँ पे भी decimal के बाद एक डिजिट है, यहाँ पे भी एक डिजिट है, तो वो कैंसिल हो जाता है खुद ब खुद. okay, so these command and these observation you will have only if you will practice it again and again. so this was your question number 5th students. I hope you might have understood, and thank you for connecting with me.